In this video, we'll be covering some tips and tricks that can make your Viewstation experience even better. Tip number 1 is quickly jumping from live view to playback. A lot of users don't always remember camera names, but they recognize the view they're looking for. If you're in live view, just right-click on the camera feed and select playback to instantly jump to its recorded footage. If you want to learn more about how to navigate playback, check out our full video on it. As you've been watching this series, you may have noticed the blue zones and lines appearing on the screen. These are part of the camera's built-in analytics. Some people like seeing them because they highlight activity, while others may find them a bit distracting. If you prefer to turn them off, head into the Control panel, then go to System Configuration under the Basic tab, look for the option labeled Enable VCA Rule, and uncheck it. While we're on this screen, another helpful setting is the Play Mainstream option near the top. This will automatically switch to the full recorded quality in live view when you double click to go to a single camera. Just make sure you have the bandwidth and computer resources, especially if you have a lot of 4K cameras. When you take a snapshot or export footage in Viewstation, it's saved directly to your computer. You may want to change what folder it's saved to. To set the folder, go to Control Panel, System Configuration, and first click Snapshot and then Browse. Choose the folder that you want and hit Save. Next, click the recording button to change where the video gets stored. Once you're finished, make sure you hit Apply or OK to save the configuration. At this point, you may have spent some time creating save views, adjusting settings, and now you want that same experience on another laptop or a computer. You can export the entire Viewstation configuration and import it into the other computer by going to System Configuration, Maintenance, and then hitting Export. Export the file and then put it on the new computer, launch Viewstation, and click Import the configuration. This will bring over save views, e-maps, and more. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to get in touch with our amazing US-based support team at getscw.com.